Hi guys, glad to see you on my new YouTube video about Bybit, and today I would like to show you how to buy and sell BNB on Bybit. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up Bybit exchange, and now you need to go to your funding account. To do it, hover your mouse over sets at the top right, and here you'll find funding account. Click on it. Now, if you have your USDC on your funding account, you need to click on the transfer button, and now transfer your USDC from funding to unified trading account. Just click on all and confirm it. Okay, now you have all your USDC on your unified trading account. Now we wanna buy BNB. Just type BNB in the search box right here, and here it is, the necessary pair, BNB and USDC. Click on it, and now we are on the necessary pairs page. So here on the right side, you can see a little window where you can easily buy and sell BNB coin. So to buy it, you need to click on buy, select spot, of course. Now you can create limit order or market order. If you select the limit order, you also need to type here order price. And after that, enter the quantity. But you can just click on market, select the necessary value. For example, I want to buy BNB on $1. Select it, and now just click on the buy BNB button. Buy BNB, and that's all. So it's really easy. Of course, to sell it, just go to sell, select market or limit again, choose the necessary value, and after that you'll be able to sell your BNB. Click on the sell button, and that's all. Hope my video was really helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.